Thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. Any day now, the Oklahoma Supreme Court is expected to make a decision on the lawsuit filed against Kingfisher football coach Jeff Myers.
Myers faces allegations of almost 2 decades of abuse and cover-up. Our Haley Wager has been following this case closely.
There's been multiple lawsuits filed against Myers at the local and federal level. The most recent lawsuit is the first to name State Superintendent Ryan Walters.
Well, everyone presented their position.
3 attorneys, 3 different positions, all waiting on one outcome. Will Kingfisher football coach Jeff Myers be reprimanded?
We have a well-documented record that multiple students have been subjected to bullying, hazing, abuse, and sexual assault.
Nathan Hall is the attorney for the Mecklenburg family, who alleged their son, Mason Mecklenburg, is one of those students. They're asking the court to force the local or state board of education to take action to reprimand Myers.
The law is pretty clear that when you have evidence of abuse in schools, that school districts are required to take disciplinary action.
Walters was invited to speak at Tuesday's hearing, but didn't show. His counsel explained Walters and OSDE were caught in the middle of something that should be handled on the local level. Jeff Myers' attorney Joe White agrees.
It ought to be in Kingfisher County, if anywhere, but really it ought to be with the local school board.
The school board won't do anything, Ryan Walters won't do anything, and so we went to the one place where we think you can actually get the law to be enforced, and that's the Oklahoma Supreme Court.
Hall says Walters has publicly criticized multiple teachers since taking office, including a Western Heights principal dressing in drag outside of school. But Hall thinks this deserves more.
Is more concerned about that than about the actual sexual abuse that's going on within a school district that we've documented in Kingfisher.
We've reached out to OSDE Communications numerous times and have not received a response.
Based on the state board's response, I think it's very clear that it's going to take a decision from the Oklahoma Supreme Court to force somebody to actually take action.
Haley Wager, Oklahoma's own News 9.